Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy that you guys are joining me again here today. I don't know why I get so shy every single time, but I'm super happy to be filming another video. I'm like forcing myself to just keep it pushing. So I'm gonna try to post every Sunday starting now. So hopefully she does good. If not, I'm sorry. Please just keep subscribing. So today I'm going to be doing a favorites video. I don't think I've ever done a favorites video before. So this is kind of exciting. Just kind of showing you guys what I've been loving lately the past several weeks. Just chit chat favorites. I don't have that many. I don't really know if this is going to be a good favorites video. It's my first one, so I'm just going to show you guys. We're just going to rock and roll, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please keep on watching. Okay, so to begin, my first favorite drink is my Starbucks drink. So I've been drinking this drink for like over a year now, and I love it. It's so good to me, and it's honestly my go-to. I probably drink it every day. So it's not a current favorite, it's a long time favorite. And if you like strong drinks and you know you're looking for something that has a little bit of calories, I definitely recommend this drink. It's only 15 calories, which is so good, especially if you're trying to lose weight. So it's an iced Grande Americano with 4 pumps of sugar-free vanilla. Sometimes I'll do 2 pumps of sugar-free cinnamon dolce to change it up, but I like the sugar-free vanilla. And then you could add light cream. You could also add half and half. Sometimes I'll add half and half, or soy milk or oat milk, just kind of depending what I'm feeling that day. I highly recommend this drink. I think it's so good. If you try it, let me know what you think. It's not for everyone, I will say that, and I admit it and I acknowledge it, but it's really good. So honestly, my first favorite, we're gonna start with beauty, is my Charlotte Tilbury powder. This is the Airbrush Flawless Finish, but in the color light. So typically I've been using the color 2, but it does tend to be a little dark for me. So I do like it to set my skin, but I like this one to set my under eyes. So I stopped using translucent powder because it looks like crocodile skin under my eyes. Yeah, I really like it to set my under eyes. It just makes it look really healthy and glowy and not as dry under my eyes. So I go in with the color 1, and I've been loving it. I've been probably doing this for a month now, and I've been loving it with the concealer that I'm about to show. So the concealer that I've been loving, I used to use this concealer all the time, and then for some reason I was like, oh, I want to try new ones. But I recently went back to it, and I am so in love with it, especially during these dry months. I really like it. So this is the Bare Minerals Bare Skin Concealer, and it's called a serum concealer, and honestly that's what it is. It's like a serum consistency. I can't explain it. It's kind of like gel, I don't know, but it's super hydrating. It's not like Tarte Shape Tape, or like you could see like it looks very even hydrating on my hand. It's not as thick as the Tarte Shape Tape concealer, or even the NARS one, or the Hourglass one. Those all crack under my eyes, and they just make my under eyes look so dry and cakey and not cute. So if you're struggling with your under eyes, especially right now with these dry months, highly recommend these two together. Love them. Like, I swear by them at this point. So definitely like these together. My next favorite is this Eucalyptus lip scrub with brown sugar. My friend Paloma actually gave this to me a couple months ago, and I really like it. It's like this lip scrub, and I don't usually exfoliate my lips. Like, I don't know why. I was never really in the market for it. My lips don't usually get dry, but I started doing it a couple weeks ago, and I've been obsessed with it. I do it every time before I'm gonna put like lipstick on or anything like that at night, especially when I'm doing my skincare and I'm wearing a mask. I'll go in with this scrub and just scrub my lips, and it just makes your lips feel so nice and plump, and I've really been liking it. So if you haven't used a lip scrub before, I recommend this one. I think she got this one at Whole Foods, I'm not sure, but just any lip scrub I'm sure would work great, and I highly recommend it. So my next favorite is actually a sample that I got from Farmacy, and it's the Honey Potion Renewing Antioxidant Hydrating Mask. And I really like this mask. It's super hydrating, and as I mentioned, I've been dealing with super dehydrated skin and just dry skin. So as you can see, it's like a honey mask. It's like this gel consistency, but once you apply it on your face, you're actually supposed to rub it in for like 2 minutes, and you can see it starts getting white and it starts getting warm on your skin. So you like rub it into your skin, and then you just feel it get warm, and your skin is like nice and warm, and just leave it on for like 10 to 15 minutes, take it off, and your skin just feels so nice and hydrated. So I've definitely been loving it. I only have the sample, but I plan on buying like the full size. I'm a mess. Next favorite, I think this is my last face favorite, is this Biossance Squalane plus vitamin C rose oil. I've been loving this lately, especially before I put on my makeup. So I'll go in with a little bit of moisturizer, apply like 2 drops of this oil all over my skin, and then I wait a little bit, like I don't know, 10 minutes, and then I go in and do my makeup, and it just makes my skin look super glowy and hydrated. So I've really been loving it. It does have the vitamin C, which helps with scars, and it looks so nice under makeup as well. So I've been loving this lately. As you can tell, I've been using her up. Okay, so I think that was all my favorites for my face. We're gonna continue with skin, but with body now. This has been life-changing. Like, I'm not even being dramatic. This has literally changed the way I view my skin on my body and how I've been taking care of it. Before, I would just moisturize my skin, and then that was it. But I started using this Frank Body. This is the original coffee scrub, and I swear to God, I've never experienced anything like this. I have used body scrubs in the past, not religiously, but just like once in a while. And yeah, my skin is soft, but it's not like that big of a deal. I'm just like, it's not worth it. But this, life change. Literally, your body is like baby skin soft. Like, it's so soft. I remember the first time I used it, you just scrub it all over your body while you're showering. It does create a mess, but you know, I just scrub it all over my body. And I remember the first time I used it, I was like, I couldn't stop touching it. I was like, oh my God, I'm like so soft. Like, I've never experienced this softness before. So I've been loving this exfoliating scrub. I got this one at Target, and try it out. You'll thank me later. You're welcome. To go along with this, I found this in my bathroom. I think it belonged to my sister, but she moved out and she left it, so I took it. I was like, let me just try it. So this is a raw sugar body butter. So what I started doing was I use this, and then I'll go in and massage this cream all over my skin, and oh my God, it is so like wonderful. It's like the perfect duo. This body butter just feels so nice and luxurious on the skin. Like, it really sinks into your skin, and it just gives it that extra softness that you need after exfoliating, and it's literally the perfect couple. I'm not gonna lie, this is not my favorite scent. I'm very weird when it comes to scents. I don't like tropical coconut scents, and that's exactly what it is. It's raw coconut mango. So if you like that smell, you'll love this, but it like makes up for it. It makes up for it. I could handle the smell for 15 minutes. Yeah, once I run out of this one, I definitely want to try a different scent. But oh my God, like the lotion itself or the body butter itself, it's so nice. Both of those together, life-changing. Swear, life-changing. Okay, moving on to some dry shampoo. I am that girl that washes her hair every single day, and I know it's not good for me, but I do wash my hair every single day, and I work out like 5 to 6 times a week, so I sweat a lot. Like, I am one sweaty girl. Like, as soon as I get home from the gym, like, I need to wash my hair. I feel disgusting. But I've been hearing like, you're not supposed to wash your hair every day, you have to wait, blah blah blah. So I was like, well, let me just buy a dry shampoo. So I got this one, and it is so good. Like, it kind of changed my thinking when it comes to dry shampoo. Now I like obviously shower and stuff, and then just wait for my hair to dry, and I go in with this. It really stops the oils in my hair. So I've really been liking it. I like spray it, and I went like 3 days without washing my hair. Honestly, I won't lie, it felt disgusting. Like, thinking about it was kind of gross, but it really like worked super good. So if you're looking for a dry shampoo, this one's super cheap at Target. Alright, so my next favorite is my little perfume. Love her. So I went a couple months without perfume, I won't lie. And I was like really struggling to find one because I was using the Marc Jacob one, but I'm allergic to them. Every time I would spray it, I would sneeze, I would sneeze, get a runny nose. I just thought it was allergies from outside until I tried this one, and I was like allergy free, and I was like, what? Like, that's kind of cool. Like, I noticed it and I was like, oh, like that's different. And then I was like, maybe I'm tripping. So then I tried on the Daisy one again, and again I'm like sneezing and have a runny nose. So I was like, okay, I'm allergic to some ingredient in the Marc Jacobs perfumes. So I was looking for a new one, and my dad actually gifted my mom this Chanel one, and I was like, oh, that smells really good, can I have it? Anyway, so I wasn't gonna take her gift, even though there's a lot of times that I do. That's messed up, huh? But so I was like, let me just buy my own. So I went to Sephora and I purchased it, and I just love the smell of it. I'm not gonna explain it because I don't know how, but it's so good, and it's like light. I like light scents. I don't like overpowering flower scents. Like, I don't want to smell like a funeral. I don't want to smell like an old lady. So this one I absolutely love. It's like the perfect set for me. If I could describe a set that is me, I think it's this one. If you're looking for a new perfume or you just want to check it out, I got this one at Sephora, and I highly recommend it. Go smell it, let me know what you think, and just know that's what I smell like. If you want to smell like me, get it. So my next favorite is a candle from Bath and Body Works. You know, everyone loves their candles every year. Cute. Well, this one in particular I really like. Is the Eucalyptus Snowfall, and it just smells like my man. It literally smells like a guy, but it's like that good guy smell, you know? And it's also fresh and light, and I've just been loving it. Honestly, I only have to light it for like 10 minutes, and that's it. It lights, you know, it's very potent, but I really like it because it's very fresh, and honestly it just reminds me of Daniel, which I think that's why I like it. Now we're gonna move on to like clothes, kind of. Next favorite is my Gymshark leggings, and I've been working out more consistently than I have in my life for the past year, and I've tried out a whole bunch of different legging brands, from Alo Yoga to Lululemon to like Amazon brands to just a whole bunch of different legging brands, and I always go back to Gymshark. These literally just feel so nice on me, and when I'm working out and stuff, they're not falling. They're just tight and right, and I just love these. So they did recently have a sale, so I did pick up a few more. And again, I'm just like, yep, this is it. This is what I need. This is what she likes. This is the seamless leggings. I'll leave a link for them down below. And honestly, Gymshark, compared to like Lululemon, Alo Yoga, Nike and stuff, they're pretty damn they're pretty affordable. So I do love them. I just had to mention them because I think they're so good. I will say though, like on the crotch area, they're not that cute. Sometimes they be accentuating your area, so just be aware of that. Again, I always go back to them, and if you're looking for some like leggings that are just gonna feel tight and right and just suck you in the right places, I highly recommend these. And how cute is this color? Anyways, my next clothing item is pajamas, and these are from Target, and I've been using this brand for like over a year. It's the Stars Above brand at Target, and they're so good. Like, all their pajamas are just super lightweight, super soft, super comfortable to sleep in. So I recently got this gown one, and I've just been loving it. So I highly recommend, if you are looking for new pajamas, anything like that, I highly recommend this Stars Above brand from Target. My next favorite, I'm moving on to shoes. If you know me, you know I love chunky shoes. Like, I want all the chunk I could get. So recently Converse have been back in style, which I was a little like, I don't know about all that, but I saw the chunky ones and I was like, okay, I know about that. So I've been wearing them nonstop and I love them because you could dress them up or down, and I think they just look super good with every outfit. And the chunk, love her. So I'm on my last favorite for this month. I hope you guys like them so far. So I've been loving my little Nike bag. I just think it's so cute and it's super helpful. I wear it every time I go to the gym. I just throw it on with my keys and everything, and it's just like super cute. I think it makes you look just put together, and I've been loving it. Even like when I'm wearing like a casual look or even like a fancier look, I think it looks cute. Like even with this, like I could go out like this with like this cute little outfit. So I've been loving this bag. I did get it on Amazon. Recommend her. Get her. She's so cute. Alright guys, I think that was it. Am I missing anything? Can I think of anything else right here, right now? I'm like looking around my room. No. You know what? Should I do my music favorites? I'll only show like a few. Song isn't like the newest, but I just love Cristian Nodal. Are you kidding? So this is De Los Besos Que Te Di. I'll put the song right here. O los que llevan veneno. Love him. I feel like Hypnotized. When she doesn't know the lyrics. I like it. So, you know, like Spotify did the 2020 your most listened music thing. So mine was really embarrassing. Mine was really embarrassing. Like the music I listen to isn't the best, but I'm still show you. Here's my #1 song of the year, okay? This is kind of embarrassing. I don't know, she loves it. That was her #1 song. Let's see. But my #1 artist of the year was James Arthur. My boy. This one makes me think that I could belly dance. Obviously reggaeton, and I'm not gonna bore you with that because everyone loves that and you already have all the songs, I'm sure. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know if you guys like this style of video. I could start doing favorites every month. I think that would be kind of fun. So let me know if you guys would be interested in that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Honestly, I appreciate it so much. I passed 100 subscribers. I suck. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Stay tuned every Sunday, hopefully. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Cute. She really just recorded